page number 38 in your textbook, part 2. Yes. So, in the last lecture we have done illustration 12 if I am not wrong, and I have given you a homework of I have given you homework from exercise a sum of similar kind. Yes. So today we are going to start with illustration 13, which is given on page number 58. Yes. Yes, I know we are left with the last sum of illustration 10. You all might be thinking about that. But don't worry, we'll solve it soon. Let us start with illustration 13 for now. Yeah, so page number 38, I will be reading it. I will be reading the question for you. A limited company issued 18 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Amount called up per share was as under. Company has issued 18 lakh equity shares. Yeah. A share of rupees 10 each. Amount called up per share was as under. 3 rupees with application, 2 rupees with allotment, 3 rupees with first call, and 2 rupees with final call. So this way 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is rupees 10. Yeah. Okay. Let us read ahead. All amounts due were received on due dates except from the following persons. Ami, who was holding 1200 shares, did not pay money due on allotment, first and final call. Obviously, the person who did not pay allotment money, how can that person pay first call money or final call money? Yes, जिसने allotment के ही पैसे नहीं दिए, then how do you expect that person will pay first call and final call? It's not possible. Yes. Nextly, Rami, who was having 1800 shares, did not pay money due on first and final call. Then Gummy, who was holding 1600 shares, did not pay amount due on final call. So this is calls in arrears from 3 people. The first one did not pay allotment, first and final. The second one did not pay first and final. And then last person did not pay final call. Then after necessary formalities, all the shares of these 3 persons were forfeited and were reissued at rupees 8 per share. Yes. So let us understand the question simply and quickly. I'll mention the question on board. Now, this is illustration 13, page number 38, and the company, a limited company, has issued 18 lakh equity shares. Yes, 18 lakh equity shares have been issued by a company. They have called out rupees 3 with application, 2 I think with allotment. Hope you are having your textbook with you. Even I am having my textbook on my desk. It is compulsory to have a textbook and other essentials, skills, etc. with you while you solve this sum. 2 with allotment, 2 with first call, and remaining 3 with final call. Alright? Yes. Company has issued 18 lakh equity shares, 3 with application, 2 with allotment, 2 with first call, and 3 rupees with final call. Okay? Now there is a shareholder. There are 3 shareholders. Ami, Rami, and Gummy. Ami is having how many shares? She is having 1200 shares. This one is having 800, and the last one is having 1600 shares. Now, this person did not pay allotment yes, Ami, they say that she is having 1200 equity shares and she did not pay allotment money, nor did she pay first and then final. That simply means she has paid only 3 rupees. Yes? So to make it easy, we will write 3 rupees here. That yes, she has paid. Out of 10 rupees, she has paid 3 rupees. So the remaining 7 she did not pay. Yes? Fine. Talking about the next person who is having 800 shares, that person has paid allotment, application and allotment. Anything, that person has not paid first call and final call. That simply means that the person has paid application and allotment. That means 5 rupees she has paid, 5 rupees she has not paid. So 5 yes, 5 no. Then Gami, she is having 1600 shares and she has not paid final call. That means she has paid application, allotment and first call. 3 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. She has paid 7 rupees and 3 rupees no. Okay? A share is of rupees 10. These are the 3 shareholders. Ami is having 1200 shares. Ravi is having 800, Gavi is having 1600 shares and this is the same. Ami has paid 3 rupees only. Ravi has paid 5 rupees only out of 10 rupees. Gavi has paid only 7 rupees and 3 rupees she has not paid. So the same is clear. This is false in arrears. This is the amount that is received. This is the amount that is not received. So it's just that simple. If you want to write down the journal entry of forfeiture directly, so this is share credited to share forfeiture, and this is called arrears. Simple. Let us see what we are supposed to do. Yes, we are supposed to write down the journal entries in the books of company for only forfeiture and reissue of forfeited shares. All these shares are forfeited and are reissued at rupees 8 per share. A share is of rupees 10 and the share is reissued at rupees 8. That means the share is reissued at a discount. Discount of rupees 2. Yes? Okay. Fine then. The picture of entire scene is presented on the board and now we are going to write down the journal entry for forfeiture of these shares and then reissue, and then we will transfer the amount of forfeited shares to capital reserve. Yeah? Okay. So the journal entry is also given in the textbook. We can understand from there even, and even I can write it down on the board, but I think the explanation is written on board, so it is convenient and if we understand it from textbook. Yes? So please pay attention. Page number 39 in your textbook, please. Okay. Even the explanation is given in your textbook. A table is prepared very well and that table highlights the picture that has been highlighted on the board. Yeah. Okay, so we are forfeiting the shares. Which shares? The shares of these 3 people. 1200, 800 and 1600. So 1000, 2000, 2600, 2800 and plus 800, making it 3600 shares. So total shares forfeited are 3600. Yes? So the very first thing that you are supposed to do at the time of forfeiture of shares is what? You will debit share capital account. Yes? Okay. So pay attention in your textbook. Page number 39. Journal entries in the books of company. The first journal entry. Equity share capital account debit. 36,000 shares. Sorry, 3600 shares. 1200 plus 800 plus 1600, that is 3600 shares, and a share is of rupees 10. So 3600 into 10. Equity share capital account debit 3600 into 10. Yes? So 36,000. To forfeited shares account. What do we write in this? The amount that is received from a shareholder whose shares are being forfeited. Yes. So whose shares are forfeited here? These three shareholders. So what is the amount received from them? This much. So 1200 into 3, 800 into 5, 1600 into 7. This is the total amount received from these three shareholders. Yes. And the total amount is 20,400. If you want to see it properly, we can see on in the table actually which is given. Yes, the table is given to you, or else if you want me to do the calculation, we can do. If you are having your calculator, please follow my instructions. See, 1200. On 1200 shares, only 3 rupees have been received. 1200 into 3, 3600. On 800 shares, 5 rupees is received. On 1600 shares, 7 rupees is received. 11,200. Obviously, we are writing the amount which is received in forfeited shares account. Yes, I have taught this well in each and every sum that we have done till now. Now, if you will add this amount, that is 11,200 plus 4,000 plus 3,600, that gives you, just a second, if I'm not mistaken, yes, 3,600. Gavi is having 1,600 shares and she has not paid final call. 3. Just hold for a second. There is some issue with this. 3, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, I'm mistaken here. Yes, please excuse me for this. I have written the amount changed by mistake. It is 3 rupees, 2 rupees, and 3 rupees and 2 rupees. Please, let me just correct myself. Extremely sorry for inconvenience. It is 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees here, and 2 rupees here. So our calculation here will change. Please excuse me for the wrong information. I had written 2 here and 3 here. So please, I'm repeating the entire thing. So please don't consider this. Let me just erase this. I was just wondering why the calculations don't match the textbook. Because the question was written incorrect by mistake in hurry. So please excuse me for that. Yes, let us repeat this. Yes, I'm repeating just because in hurry I have explained it in the 3 and 2 manner. Yes, so Ami is having 1,200 shares and she has paid only application money. So she has paid only application. So 3 she has paid, 7 she has not paid. Rami, she is having 800 shares. She has paid application and allotment. So she has paid 5 rupees. So remaining 5 she has not paid. And if we are talking about Dami, she has not paid only final call of rupees 2. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3 is 8. It was 7 earlier because I had written 3 here. Yes. So I am repeating entire thing. So she has paid 8 rupees and she has not paid 2 rupees. Yes. So that's all. And now let us understand the calculation. Again, 3 rupees is paid, 5 rupees is paid, 8 rupees is paid. So 12 threes are 36. And 8 fives are 40. And further, here the mistake was committed. I had done 1600 into 7 by mistake, and actually it is 1600 into 8, which is 12,800. Yes. Earlier I had written second here because I had written 3 here and 2 here. That was the mistake. So I'm extremely sorry for that. Yes, if you will add this, let us do that. 12,800 plus 4,000 plus 3,600. So that is 20,400. So whichever amount is received from the shareholders whose shares are being forfeited is to be credited to forfeited shares account, just the way it is written in your textbook. So to forfeited shares account 20,400. Yes, and the amount not received is to be separately credited. Yeah. So allotment is not received from this person, first call and final call. From second person, first and final. From third person, only final call is not received. So this simply means final call is not received from 3 of them. First call is not received from 2 people and allotment is not received from 1 person. Yes? So the amount of allotment is not received from this person. Ami did not pay allotment first and final call. So, to share allotment account, Ami is having 1200 shares. So, 1200 into 2. So, share allotment will have that amount. 1200 into 2, 2400. See in your textbook, to share allotment account. Ami did not pay allotment money. Yes, Ami has not paid even first and final call, I know. But right now we are moving step by step. So firstly we are talking about allotment. She did not pay allotment. So to share allotment account 2400 into 2. Then first call is not received from 2 people. This one and this one. So 1200 plus 800, 2000. So first call is not received on 2000 shares. So 2000 into 3, 6000. To share first call account 6,000. Yes. I repeat, Ami did not pay allotment first and final. So allotment में Ami के share consider किए गए 1200 into 2. To share allotment 24. Okay. Then if we are talking about first call, the first call किसने नहीं पे किया? Ami ने भी नहीं पे किया and Ravi ने भी नहीं पे किया. Ami is having 500 shares. Rami is having 800 shares. So first call is not received on 2000 shares. 2000 into 3, 6. Finally, final call is not received from 3 of them. So final call is not received on 3600 shares. So 3600 into 2 gives you 7200. And this is the journal entry for forfeiture of shares. Yes? We have forfeited the shares of three of them for non-payment of respective amount. Ami, Ravi and Gami. Whatever they have paid is credited to share forfeiture account or forfeited shares account, and the amount that they have not paid is separately credited. Like Ami did not pay allotment, the 2 share allotment, first call भी इन्होंने नहीं पे किया, इन्होंने भी नहीं पे किया, तो total 2000 में first call नहीं आया. तो वो क्रेडिट किया हमने सेपरेटली एंड ऑन फाइनल कॉल 3 final call the 3 of them have not paid. So 3600 shares have been considered at the time of final call. Yes, hope you are able to understand. The sum is not that complicated, it is just twisted. Yes, it is not difficult to understand. If you will study it properly, if you will separate things, if you will make a picture like this, then it is extremely simple. Yes, everything is given in the question, you just have to split and present it in the form of journal entry. Nothing new. You haven't obtained a figure from outside. You have just calculated whatever is given in the question. Yes. Now, the next thing is reissue of these shares. So these shares have been reissued at 8 rupees. A share of rupees 10 is reissued at rupees 8. That means How many shares? 3600 shares. So bank account debit. Share forfeiture account debit. To equity share capital account. Shares of rupees 10. How many shares have been reissued? 3600 shares into 10. 36,000. At 8 rupees and 2 rupees is discount. Obviously, whenever a share of rupees 10 is reissued at rupees 8, that means 2 rupees is for discount. So 3600 into 2. And finally here 3600 into 8. Let us write down the amount, 28,800. And of course 7,000. Yes. So this is the journal entry for reissue of shares. Yeah. Next. The last journal entry for this. You obviously know that we have credited share forfeiture or forfeited shares account in first journal entry with 20,400. Yes, if I am not wrong. Yes, 20,400. And we have debited it in second journal entry. This is credit, this is debit. See, credit, the amount credited is 20,400 and the amount debited is 7,200. Yes, so what is the amount of difference? It is 13,200. Yes, so those 13,200 rupees are to be transferred to capital reserve account. We have done this even in this previous, we have done this even in the previous illustrations that we have done. Yes. Why? Because the previous shareholder, the amount that he had paid. Yes. What about that amount? From that, 7,200 has been given discount. But what about the remaining amount? It is to be transferred to capital reserve account. Yes, in every sum. This is the general procedure. You will forfeit the shares. You will reissue these shares. And the remaining amount of forfeited shares you will transfer to capital reserve account. Alright? So that's all. We have done illustration 13. We have completed it. Was really interesting. And till now, if we are coming across the exercise, so let me just inform you. We have done sum number 5, 6, 7, sum number 9, sum number 10. I think I have not given you homework. If I have not given, you have to do it now. And if I have already given, then well and good. So 10th you will do. 11th not for now. Yes. Sum number 12, sum number 13 from exercise, and sum number 14 is already given. So 12 and 13 is in homework again. 15 is already given. Then 16th. No. Okay, sum number 12 and 13. Yes. Sum number 12 and 13 is in homework for today, and also, of course, illustration 13 is also in today's homework. We will be doing this illustration, and then sum number 12. It consists of the short sums. Actually, these sums are similar to illustration 9 and 10 that we have done. Yes, so you can even do these sums once you watch the lectures for those illustrations. Yes, but in short, you are supposed to do it by now. So, sum number 12 and 13 you will be doing, and illustration 13 in today's homework. Yes, so that's all for today, and we'll see you all soon in the next lecture. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and of course, study well.